or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern LaSalle County and north central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County and north central Illinois until 9 o'clock p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Earlville, or 10 miles south of Shabana, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Leland around 8:15 p.m. Sommenock around 8:30 p.m. Sandwich and Sheridan around 8:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Millington. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.